On February 11th, the Philippine Coast Guard raised concerns over the reckless actions of Chinese vessels during a 9-day patrol near a reef in Southeast Asia. The patrol conducted by the Philippine vessel BRP Teresa Magbanua aimed to safeguard Scarborough Shoal, a vital fishing zone in the South China Sea, and ensure the protection of Filipino fishermen. Tensions have escalated since China seized control of the reef from the Philippines in 2012, turning it into a focal point of contention between the two nations. The Philippine Coast Guard issued a statement revealing that Chinese Coast Guard vessels engaged in hazardous and obstructive maneuvers during the patrol. The CCG vessels reportedly performed dangerous crossings in front of the BRP Teresa Magbanua on 4 occasions, with 2 instances involving crossing directly in front of the Philippine vessel's bow. Furthermore, the Philippine Coast Guard reported that its ship was trailed by 4 Chinese Coast Guard vessels on over 40 occasions, indicating a sustained and concerning level of surveillance. The Philippine Coast Guard also reported the presence of what they identified as 4 Chinese maritime militia vessels. Video footage released by the Philippines Coast Guard depicted the Chinese Coast Guard vessel closely trailing the BRP Teresa Magbanua, maneuvering within meters of the Filipino boat before crossing its path. Despite these provocative actions, the Philippine Coast Guard maintained a professional approach, engaging both the Chinese Coast Guard and maritime militia vessels via radio communication to assert the Philippines' stance in accordance with international law. Responding to the accusations leveled by the Philippines, the Chinese Foreign Ministry asserted that Scarborough Shoal falls within the country's sovereign territory, justifying the legality of Chinese Coast Guard activities in the area. The ministry emphasized China's expectation for the Philippines to respect its territorial sovereignty and maritime rights, urging a cessation of what it deemed as maritime infringements. China affirmed its commitment to safeguarding its territorial sovereignty and maritime interests in adherence to the law. The recent incidents occurred against the backdrop of heightened tensions between China and the Philippines, stemming from contentious standoffs over disputed reefs in the South China Sea. Just 2 months prior, the situation escalated dramatically when Chinese ships reportedly discharged water cannons at Philippine boats, resulting in a coalition between the vessels. These confrontations underscore the ongoing volatility in the region and the persistent challenges faced by both countries in managing their territorial disputes.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.